Avian influenza, I think, is the respiratory virus that I worry the most about because it is the pandemic threat. Which strain of avian influenza will cause a pandemic? I don't know. There are several of them that are circulating, but I think this is an underappreciated threat, underappreciated not by public health or infectious disease experts, but underappreciated by policymakers. The WHO in first quarter of 2026 has reported zoonotic infections that are occurring. Countries like China, Cambodia, Bangladesh, there was a fatal case in Bangladesh, and in Italy had cases of avian influenza. What country is not listed there? The United States. But in the US, we've been having record poultry outbreaks. We've had outbreaks in dairy cattle. In the years prior, there was about 70 or so human cases reported in the United States. Why isn't the US on there? What number of tests are coming back negative for avian influenza in the United States for workers who are on those poultry farms, workers that are on those dairy cattle farms? I don't know. I don't know if even one test has been sent. So I think that this is an important absence. And this shows lack of proactivity, that they're trying to kind of take this philosophy of see no evil, hear no evil, but avian influenza will still spread even if we don't diagnose it, if it's not recorded. If it's infecting a human, it infected a human. It doesn't matter if it's on some tally sheet. So I think this is something that really needs to be addressed. And if I were doing pandemic preparedness, I would be really aggressive with USDA, with CDC, about being very transparent about what's going on. And also the state and local health departments too have a role here. And I think that, when you think of avian flu, that's the one that's at the top of the list.